Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this cute sleeping mask with 3D frog eyes, which makes the perfect little gift. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along Volume 2. It has a mystery feature to it because you don't know which pattern I will be publishing each day. The entire event has 30 crochet patterns. 24 of them will be available free to view on my website. But again, you don't know which one. The 24 patterns will also be available in my membership, ad-free and printer-friendly. You can also get those on Ravelry and Etsy as a PDF. All 30 crochet patterns include a video tutorial. If you want to get all 30 crochet patterns ad-free and printer-friendly, then get my ebook at the link down below in the description or my website. All 30 crochet patterns are last-minute gift ideas. The entire event is sponsored by Premier Yarns. Now let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to get started, you're going to need some cotton yarn. I'm using Premier's Cotton Sprout yarn, worsted in the color lime and white. The color lime is going to be the main color. You only need a little bit of white, like very little, and a teeny tiny bit of black. Start with a chain of 6. Crochet 1 single crochet in a second chain from the hook and in every stitch following. Now turn, crochet 2 single crochets in the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet in all the rest of them. Then turn, then crochet 1 single crochet until the last stitch. The last stitch you're going to crochet 2 single crochets. Then turn. Now you're going to repeat that. 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet until the last stitch, where you're going to crochet 2 single crochets. So there's an increase at the beginning and the end of the row. And turn. You're going to crochet again an increase at the beginning and the end of the row, and in between it's just going to be 1 single crochet per stitch. And one more row of increases, so 2 single crochets in the beginning of the row, then 1 single crochet in each of the stitch besides the last one where you're going to do an increase again. Now turn. You're now going to crochet 8 rows of just single crochet stitches, so 1 per stitch. In the following round, you're now going to do some decreases. First, you're going to start with a decrease in the beginning of the round, like so. Now you're going to crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch until the last 2 stitches. In the last 2 stitches, you're also going to crochet a decrease. Now turn. Now repeat this row by having a decrease at the beginning and the end of the row and just single crochet stitches in between. Now in the next row, you're going to crochet just 1 decrease at the beginning of the row. And then for the rest of the row, you're going to crochet just 1 single crochet per stitch. Then turn. Now you're going to crochet 3 rows of just single crochet stitches, so 1 per stitch. Now you're going to do the exact opposite of what you just did over here. So we're going to do an increase in the very first stitch, so 2 single crochets in that, and then 1 single crochet in each of the rest of the stitches. Then turn. Now for 2 rows, you're going to increase at the beginning and at the end of the row. So an increase here, 1 single crochet in each stitch besides the last, and that's where you're going to place another increase. Now you repeat that row 1 more time. Now for 8 rows, you're going to crochet 1 single crochet per stitch. Now we need to do a few more decreasing rounds. We're going to start with a decrease at the beginning of the row, then 1 single crochet in each stitch until you have 2 stitches left, and then 1 more decrease at the end of the row. Turn. Now you're going to repeat that. So a decrease at the beginning of the row, 1 single crochet in each stitch until you have 2 stitches left, and you're going to crochet another decrease. Then you're going to turn and repeat that one more time, and one more decreasing round. So 1 decrease here at the beginning of the row, 1 single crochet in each stitch until you have 2 stitches left, and then 1 more decrease. Now you're done with your mask, but we need one more thing on the mask, and that is a border. So you're going to crochet all the way around and crochet into each either stitch or row. You're going to crochet evenly 1 single crochet. Once you're done, it's going to look like this. You're now going to work on the eyes. So you're going to take some white, make a magic ring and a chain of 1 that just secures the ring. Now add 6 single crochets to the ring. Now close the ring. Use your stitch marker so you can see when a row ends and starts. In the next row, you're going to crochet 2 single crochets for every stitch all the way around. In the next round, you're going to crochet 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then 2 single crochets in the following. Now you go ahead and repeat that all the way around. In the following round, crochet now 1 single crochet per stitch for 2 rounds. Once you're done, it's going to look like this. You're going to pull out your yarn and cut it. You're going to make a second one, so you have 2 of those. Then you're going to make some black pupils. Because black is hard to see on camera, I'm just going to tell you what I did. So it's a magic ring, chain 1 to secure the ring, and then add 6 single crochets to the ring, and then in the following round you're going to do 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochets. You're going to do this twice. This is where the eyes are going to go and the pupils. And now we're going to do one more thing in green before we sew it all together. Chain 8, then in the second chain from the hook and all the other chains, crochet 1 single crochet per chain. Now turn. Now crochet 3 single crochets in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in each stitch until you have the last stitch left, and that's where you're going to crochet again 3 single crochets. Then turn, and in the next round you're going to crochet 2 single crochets in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in each of the other stitches besides the last one, where you're going to do an increase again of 2 single crochets, and then crochet 3 more because those are going to be the lid. Now it's time to assemble everything. So first you're going to sew the black pupil onto the white for each eye. Then you're going to take your white and you're going to weave it towards the center, and you're going to make a little line so that the eye looks a little bit more realistic. I like to do the line twice, so simply go through it twice like so, and then you're going to align it, and now you're going to sew it onto the green, and about 3/4 of the way through you're going to stuff it with a little bit of polyfill so that way it stays nice and 3D. And finally, the last step before we add the straps is you're going to take these lids and you're going to place them right over like so on each side. So you have 2 lids per eye. So you're just going to sew them on such that they wrap around it like so. And once you're done, it's going to look like this. I added some straps, and now you can wear or gift someone the sleeping mask. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. I'm sure you want to. I'll see you next time. Bye.